Hello. I showed you a cribs of my home studio, and now I'd like to show you a cribs of where I live. Come on in. Right down here, this is where I do dishes, keep the laundry, have that's where I keep extra parts from anything, really. And this is where I did that, so what's going on in here? Just watch out for the curtains. Watch out for these curtains right here. Don't let those curtains hit you. Don't you let those curtains hit you. Come on now. Alright, and right on down here. Let's get it close up. Come on. Right on down here. This is where it's hectic sort of a living room because we don't do too much living in it, really. Not too much living. So come on now. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Come on down, 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 come on down. What we have here is an intersection between human and reality. And we're going to have to take you
even further.
Oh, they're here? Let me show you what I'm working on. Here. Oh, come around. No, not here. Down here, you go, keep on going down the path. You'll see a lot of times our power goes out and we have lights. Just to see our furniture sometimes, you know, when people get tired, they like to lean, go to bed. Keep going down, you'll see we have our instruments, our sound banks. You hear that? You have to probably get closer just to hear certain sounds that we use. This would be a good synthesizer if you... Another one. And then we have this is my favorite instrument to use, besides the microphone. And let's listen to the sound it makes. It's very beautiful if you ask me. Let's keep going. Over here we have my closet, my shirt, my hats. Not the hats I wear on my head. These are instruments, sorry. And then my personal shower. So the water's out right now and it doesn't even flush, but yeah. I'm pretty sure my friend's coming down from upstairs. You can probably hear him. There he is right there. Hey. Are you still here? Come with me. 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 You don't know where I came from, but you know what I do with my time. I want to show you my kitchen. I want to show you my kitchen right there. Come on in. Here's my refrigerator. Here's my refrigerator. Here's my refrigerator. Here's my refrigerator. I want to show you how I spend my time. I want to show you how I spend my time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Follow me. I dine in peace right here. You dine. You know, I dine in peace right there. And we're going to walk down for November. 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 Is where I sleep. Right here. I haven't slept in a very long while because someone once told me that if you sleep with no blankets like normal people do, you might have bad dreams on a very regular basis. So instead of sleeping here where I called my room when we moved here as musicians, dedicated musicians and artists, I do not sleep here anymore like I used to. Instead, I go, usually sleep with the trees because I love birds and they sing in the morning. And since I do not have alarm clocks, I had the blessing to listen to noises that humans nowadays do not have.
These were the last words anybody ever heard or saw from him. We never spoke again. Time just continued to move on. But I guess that's life.